to a vlog that we're going to be doing again. And this is to California. And that's pretty much it for now. I mean, we're just driving. We just drove out of the house, as you guys can see. Also, the driver will be my mom. And then after, my sister. And yeah, well, I just hope you guys will enjoy this video. And yeah, let's get right to the vlog. Motorcycles for days. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna take a break, and I got the green tea frappuccino. My mom got the hazelnut thing. My sister got double chocolate chip. And yeah, tell me down in the comments what you guys get from Starbucks usually. And let's continue with the road trip. On a boat. This is Ali.
What's going on, Ali? How you doing?
Hello. Hey. Say hi, baby.
Where's baby?
He's right here.
Woo. Go fast.
Go faster, you said? What is that ahead? You see that? They're carrying it?
Oh yeah.
That's nice. I think we can go out this way. We're gonna go underneath the bridge.
Oh.
We gotta go between these boats. Huh? Oh, the ice cream. You're right. Can we get the ice cream, guys? You got it.
Hello, random people.
Oh, we should get that. Next time we'll get that.
Oh. Okay. We're letting my sister drive. Sarah. Oh my gosh, guys. I swear, if I die and if I don't make it, it's because of my sister.
Don't worry.
Oh my god, she's going 60 miles an hour. Oh my god, guys, if I die, I swear. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I swear I can't see anything. Oh my gosh. Sarah. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this is the end. This is the end of this road. I hope if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments below if you like this video. And yeah, like I said, make sure you like and subscribe. And I just want to say thank you for all the support. And bye. Have a great day.